Hi, I'm Steve Lamont of Absolute Insurance Service in Las Vegas, Nevada. Our topic today is going to be 5 different topics that you should discuss with your insurance agent and or insurance company before you renew your property insurance. Topic number 1 for today is the vacancy and unoccupancy clause. Do you know what your insurance company's vacancy and unoccupancy clause is? Are you sure you have coverage in case a portion of your building is vacant or unoccupied? Question number 2 for today is about collapse. Do you know if your policy covers collapse or breaking of a pipe underneath the floor or foundation of your building? First, is it covered if there is no resulting damage to your building? And second, if there is resulting damage, would it be covered? The second part of this is, would there be coverage if the same thing happened outside of your building in the parking lot or on your grounds? Are you going to have coverage for a collapse or a broken pipe outside your building? Number 3 is tenant improvements and betterments. And this is a very difficult subject that you really should have a thorough conversation with your agent or insurance company. First, does your lease contain a provision requiring your tenant to carry their own tenants improvements and betterments coverage? And if they do, will it provide coverage to you if the tenant decides to move out or not to replace those improvements and betterments? Second part of that question is, what if a tenant goes bankrupt after a disaster? Is his insurance going to repay your tenant improvements and betterments? Something you might want to look at. Number 4 today is loss of income. This is a biggie. Will your insurance company pay your complete loss of income in the event of a claim and in the event that a portion of your building is unoccupied? If your building is not fully occupied, does this loss of income pay enough to make your mortgage or to continue your income stream? Topic number 5 for today is the Nevada law concerning the limits that mortgagees have on the amount of insurance they can require. Do you know what the Nevada law says, and do you know what the mortgage companies can and can't require? These are all important questions that you should talk to either your insurance agent or your insurance company about. I know the answers to these. If you'd like to find out my answers to these and what the companies will do that we represent, please give me a call. I'm Steve Lamont, Absolute Insurance Service, area 702-699-5569, or my email address is stevell@llcins.com. Thanks for joining me today.